Welcome to this tutorial. We will be creating this crazy magic rope. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. We will remove the light and the camera. We will select the cube, edit mode, merge at center, extrude on Y1, A to select everything, grab Y minus 0.5, then we can scale it. Ctrl R to add segments, screw modifier on the Y-axis, go to edit mode again, select everything and move on X a little bit, and you will have your cable there, or rope. This is the amount of segments. We don't need more than this, 6 maybe. Apply, exit edit mode, apply, the cloth modifier, edit mode, wireframe, select the last vertex there and there, go to this tab, add a group, assign, make sure you assign it. If you click and select everything and choose select, it should select the ones that are corresponding to this group. Exit edit mode, physics properties, and in shape, select the group we just created. And now we have this. If you hit play, spacebar. What we're going to do is to edit again go to wireframe, select again these points. What we're going to do now is Ctrl H, hook to new object. It will create an empty, the same on this side. Select these ones, Ctrl H, hook to new object, exit edit mode. Now when you move this, it will move the vertex that are hooked to it, but we still have to, this doesn't work as you can see. If we go to the modifier stack here, the order is important and the hooks are before the cloth simulation, so the cloth simulation ignores them. We have to put them on top, and then now we can grab this empty and the rope will move with it. And what we can do to make it a bit more fun is go to shading, render view, sorry, world, change this to black, go back to object, remove this, extra coordinates. We will use the Y in this case. That goes from 0 to 1. We will use a ramp. Now we can change again to render mode. Okay. Change this to HSL, far. It will go around this circle. So if we choose two colors that are close together, and we set it too far, it will turn it will go all around the circle, and we get these rainbow colors. Now we use an emission shader, connect the color here, and can activate blue. You can set the frames to a big number, so you have time to play. To clear the cache, select the object, go to this tab, change any setting, and change it back again, and it will be gone. And now we can play with it. That's it. Take care and see you in the next video.